Hey, everyone! If you're looking to ignite a love for the stars and your kids, or just want a simple, portable way to explore the night sky yourself, the Gskyer 70mm Aperture Travel Telescope is the perfect entry point. It's designed specifically for beginners, making the vast universe feel a whole lot closer without any of the complicated setup. With a 400mm focal length and a 70mm aperture, this refractor telescope delivers crisp, bright views of the Moon's craters, Saturn's rings, and even Jupiter's moons. It features high-transmission, fully coated glass lenses that protect your eyes while providing stunning clarity. You also get 2 replaceable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, giving you the flexibility to dial in the perfect magnification for whatever you're tracking. What really sets this kit apart is how travel-friendly it is. Everything, the telescope, the adjustable aluminum tripod, and all the accessories, fits neatly into the included carry bag, so you can take it on your next camping trip or hike with ease. It even comes with a smartphone adapter and a wireless Bluetooth remote, so you can snap amazing photos of the cosmos directly onto your phone to share with friends and family instantly. It's simple, rugged, and incredibly fun to use. Click the link below for the best price and start your stargazing journey today.